Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are on a mission to uncover the history of J.A.P motorcycles, a legendary name born and bred right here in Tottenham, North London. Join me as we explore the sites connected to this iconic brand and delve into their remarkable legacy. We're not just exploring a motorcycle legend, but also the echoes of London's industrial past. We're in Tottenham, once a powerhouse of manufacturing and home to the iconic J.A.P motorcycles. Let's ride into history. London's Industrial Revolution transformed areas like Tottenham. From the 19th century, with the rise of railways and factories, London became a hub of innovation. It was in this fertile ground that John Alfred Prestwich founded J.A.P in 1895. His workshop was part of a much larger industrial boom. The late 19th and early 20th centuries saw a surge in engineering and manufacturing. J.A.P benefited from this, producing engines that were vital to the era. By 1911, J.A.P had moved to larger premises in Tariff Road, Northumberland Park. Their engines powered a vast range of vehicles, from motorcycles like Brough Superior and Vincent to aircraft, showcasing the quality and reputation of the brand. I managed to visit the Bruce Castle Archive, which is a window into Tottenham's past. There I was able to see the documents and artifacts that reveal the history of J.A.P and London's industrial heritage. Coming back to the present, the landscape has changed dramatically. Post-World War II, London's manufacturing declined. Globalization, shifting economies, and changing technologies led to the closure of many factories, including J.A.P itself. Where once stood factories, we now see residential areas and service industries. It's a reflection of how our cities evolve and the times that we live in. Despite the decline, J.A.P's legacy remains. Their engines powered some of the most iconic motorcycles, and their story reminds us of London's vibrant industrial past. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Tottenham's industrial history and the story of J.A.P motorcycles. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more motorcycle adventures and historical insights. Ride safe, see you next time. For now, this is NooBiker.